Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar kan yok ban Kamai khandai phau Klur tengka na ka kiat bat ka biar hadien ba ka Sorkar ka lapan baik thamai ya ka Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules 2000 Habakren sekilat patai kubor Menteri Rang ba ka Jelau Konrad ke Sang Mau Laong ba on pia halagi jong gi benta ban bu dor na ka benta ka kiat bat kan penbaik dor thamai ru na benta ka biar lembaga ni ka rule ka bathamai ka Sorkar ka khmilati Baka jingdi ka kiat kan kamla bat ka Kamai jong Sorkar ru kan kamhe.
The reclassification of category of IMFL brands, introduction of general brand category, revision of ad valorem on beer, amendment of Rule 4412, amendment of Rule 372(1)B, insertion of new Rule 71A, amendment of Rule 273, Rule 274, and introduction of Rule 41A of the Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rule 2025. Basically, these are all being done to restructure the rates and the prices in such a manner that we are able to be competitive in the market compared to different neighboring states. So this is a step towards ensuring that our pricing is competitive, and we expect that with that we will have increase in consumption, which we expect will also lead to increase in revenue. Our expected revenue increase because of these amendments that we're making is estimated to be 90 crores.